Hi, this is Ezekiel, your Messengerbot guide. Today, I will show you one of our unique features, which is the image editor built inside Messengerbot. This feature will definitely help you save time editing and creating images without changing apps. Before we start, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Now, for us to locate our image editor, just scroll down here. Then you will see the 3 image editor here. Now I will show you what these image editors do, so you can decide which one best suits your needs. Now let's first go to image editor N1. Now here, you can upload an image or create a new image yourself. As you can see, you have all the options needed to edit or create an image here. Now if you want to create a new image, just click Create New. Then select the width and the height. Then select Create. Now here, in this section, will be your canvas or your image. Please note that in image editor N1, the image that you will be creating here are the PNG type or the images that has transparent background. Now, you can draw here. Let's say I will draw a smiley face here. You can also select what color of the brush is, then the sizes of the brush, and of course the brush type. Now, let's say you're happy with my drawing. Just click Apply. Now, if you click the image that you have created, you can delete, bring to front the image, flip it, or duplicate it in these options here. You can also change the color, add shadow, add outline, and fill up the background, the texture of the image, the gradient, and the opacity. Then let's add a shadow here. Then click Apply. Now, if you want to add the text, just click the text. Select the color of the text that you want, the font of the text, and the size of the text. Then click Add Text. Let's just put it here. Then let's say there. Now once you're happy with that text there, just click Apply. And then you can also add these options here. Now, if you want to add shapes, just click Shapes. Then select the shapes that you want to add on your image. Let's say star here. Now click this middle to rotate the image. There. Then to adjust the size. Let's change the color of this one. If you want a different color or you prefer a color that you created, just click this icon here. Then you can select the color that you want. You can also add stickers here. We have emoticons, doodles, landmarks, stars, clouds, bubbles, transportation, and beach. Let's say I will add an airplane here, then apply. You can also add a frame on your created image. Or edit the corners of it. Make it more round. Here at the background, you can change the background here. But if you change the background here, the file will not be the transparent background that you want if you want a transparent background. If you have two images, you can merge them into one images. Now, you can also add a filter on your image. Resize it if you want, or crop the image. You can also change the direction of the image. You can also add a layer here. Then check what you have done, all of the steps or the actions that you have did or done to your images. You will see it here. And also the undo button here. Zoom the images. There. Now, if you're happy with all of your editing, then just click save. Or if you want, you can also add the background images here. An overlay image. Or an editor project file. Now once you click save, the image will download automatically on your hard drive or on your computer. You can also use this to edit an existing image that you want. Now, let's go to the next image editor, which is the image editor N2. If you prefer a paint-like image editor, this will suit you best. Now, if you want to open a file here, just click File, Open, then Open File. You can also select New or Search Images here. There. Now, you can use all these tools to edit your image here. in the edit section, you can undo or deselection or copy these selections here or paste. There. Now, if you're happy with the image that you have created here, just click File and select Save As. You can also select the Save As data URL. You can also quick save and quick load. Alright, now let's go to the last image editor here. Now, the last image editor, which is the image editor N2, is more focused on editing a pre-existing image. So it is best choose if you want to edit or enhance the image that you want, or let's say you're going to post an image that an image of a product that you want to sell and you want to enhance it. This image editor is the one you want to use. Now, to use this, just click Load, then select the image that you want to edit here. Let's say this t-shirt. Now, in this filter area, you will see all the filters that you can do to this image. You can add a grayscale, a sepia, a blur, emboss, and different filters here. Now, you get the idea. You can also put a mask on your image. Let's say, let's put it here. Then just click Apply. You can also add a text here. Select the alignment of the text and the color of the text. You can also add icons. Shapes. And you can also draw here. You can rotate the images. Flip it, or crop the images. Now, if you want to delete all of the things that you have added here, just click Delete All. You can also reset the image or undo it. Now once you're happy with your editing, just click download and it will automatically download to your computer. Okay, I hope you learn a lot from this tutorial. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach us directly or comment it down on the comment section below. With all that being said, I wish you guys a very wonderful day. Bye.